Welcome back to Tech's Nebula. We all know the struggle. You've captured that perfect moment, but there's this persistent background hum, a buzzing annoyance, kids shouting, sound of a fan, or maybe a pet? That just won't let your content shine. If that's the case with you as well, fear not, we've got a game changer for you, and the best part? It won't cost you a penny. Before we dive in, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get rid of that background noise. First, download and install Krisp. Krisp maximizes your productivity with its AI-powered noise cancellation. Go to krisp.ai in your browser and click on Download button. Once the download is completed, open the Krisp setup file and click on Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installation, open the Krisp application. In Noise Cancellation section, enable the Krisp microphone and speaker. It will automatically display the app that currently is using Krisp noise cancellation feature for background noise removal. Set up your recording device or application. Whether you use Windows Game Bar, Bandicam, ScreenRec, open source application like OBS, you can integrate Krisp for all of them. Even if you use any other recording application, you can integrate Krisp with it in just a few simple steps. Let me show you how easy that actually is. For Windows built-in screen recorder, open Sound Settings from Start menu. In the Input field, select Krisp Microphone. For Bandicam recorder, open Bandicam. On the top menu bar, look for a microphone icon. Click on it and select Krisp Microphone. For ScreenRec recorder, open the application. A rectangular menu bar open up. Click on Settings icon. In microphone selection, select Krisp Microphone. For OBS Studio, open the application. On the left bottom corner, click on Settings. Navigate to Audio on the left menu. From Mic/Auxiliary Audio, select Krisp Microphone. Regardless of any audio recording application you are using, simply switch the audio device from default to Krisp Microphone, just like I did in examples earlier. This straightforward adjustment will significantly enhance the clarity of your recordings by leveraging Krisp's noise suppression technology. Rest assured, once you've made the switch to the Krisp microphone, concerns about background noises will become a thing of the past. Say goodbye to unwanted distractions and enjoy a crisp and clear audio recording experience every time.